Adds comfort and cushion to seatbelts, golf bags, luggage, backpacks, and more. High-quality neoprene material for ultimate comfort and long-lasting durability. Simple hook and loop closure. Universal fit designed to fit most seatbelts. Can be used both as a seatbelt shoulder strap or luggage strap. Bell Automotive's body glove seatbelt shoulder pad is made of supple cushioned material for ultimate comfort and uses a hook and loop closure for ideal convenience. Universal fit for most seatbelts. From their iconic racing helmets to emergency kits or interior accessories, all Bell Automotive are synonymous with safety and style. Top reviews from the United States. Have a noisy rear middle seatbelt? You need this. E70 X5M. Love driving with the windows down in Texas, but the damn middle rear seat belt always catches wind and slaps the leather seat. Tried tucking it in the armrest, but that doesn't work when it's down. This keeps it from moving and making noise. Cheap, not intrusive, and doesn't have ugly fake BMW logos on it.